This is Seth here at 62 Sales. One of the most common service items we address is trailer wiring and making sure that your turn signals, your brake lights, your tail lights, and also your electric brakes, if your trailer has them, keeping them working correctly is very important to stay safe, obviously not only for yourself but those driving around you as well. Now when people come in and they're having wiring problems, one of the first things we want to do is check the tow vehicle. One of the easiest ways to do that, especially with a 7-way round plug, is to use this little tester here. This will tell us if all the circuits are working correctly on the tow vehicle side. Once we confirm that everything's working on the tow vehicle, then we want to go over and check the trailer. And that's where things get a bit more complicated, but we do have a very nice testing system to determine where there are faults, bad circuits on the trailer side as well. So you can see I have a trailer plugged in here. We're going to be working on it today. We have some obvious issues. When I turn on the tester, I'm going to run through what's called an auto test. Now when I auto test, I can see all these lights flashing. That means I have a fault in basically every light, or every circuit anyway, on this trailer. When I see that, typically it leads me to believe that it's a ground, because the chances of all your circuits going out at once are probably slim to none. So in a situation like that, it's probably a ground. And obviously that's honestly a lot of the situations that we have are loose ground wires. Now when you have a trailer also with electric brakes, one of the most important things to have in place is a breakaway system. And I kind of jokingly say this is not so much for you, but this is for the people behind you if God forbid your trailer comes disconnected. So that involves two primary components. First of all, you have a battery system that actually mounts on the trailer. This is a battery pack. It charges when you're plugged in. I can hit the button here to determine if this is charged or not. Your tow vehicle will keep these breakaway batteries charged. Now let me show you the second component to the breakaway system. So I showed you the breakaway box just a moment ago and the battery that's enclosed in here, and that battery is used just in case your trailer comes disconnected. So the battery actually feeds constant power into this switch, and this is known as a breakaway switch on trailers. Now the breakaway part is this. So this cable runs to your tow vehicle. It's kind of tied up here now, but it's 3 to 4 feet long. This cable here connects to your tow vehicle. Now if your trailer comes disconnected, it pulls this plunger out. In this box are two terminals that touch and ignite the brakes. Okay, so they're going to lock the brakes on the trailer if in fact you come disconnected because the plunger pulls out. Very, very important. DOT actually requires these as well. So if you have any type of electrical issues, if your lights aren't working, your electric brakes aren't working, give us a call here at 62 Sales. We do service by appointment. Our phone number is 812-720-3810.